I'm Summer Spence. I'm here at the Wedding Cottage, Hawaii, and I'm going to show you how to do a formal ponytail for a bride or prom. You'll need a rubber band, bobby pins, alligator clip, hairspray, curling iron, and a round brush. So to begin, I just curled the very bottom of the hair to give it a little bit of a wave. You want to start combing the hair into one hand. We're going to do a low ponytail, making sure the hair is smooth. You can spray and then smooth with your hands. We're going to take our elastic, holding very tightly to the ponytail with this hand. You're going to work your other hand around it. Taking a section of hair, a very small section of hair from the bottom, spray it so it's smooth, and you're going to take that and wrap that around the rubber band, spraying as you go. Then you're going to take your bobby pin and then you're going to secure it underneath the ponytail so you don't see it. You might want to secure it with 2 bobby pins depending on how thick the hair is. Smoothing the ponytail and following the wave, the natural wave pattern. I'm Summer Spence and I just showed you how to do a formal ponytail for a bridal or prom.